Screening hundreds of resumes for one job is a huge challenge for HR team. It's slow, inefficient, and it's easy to miss great candidates. I built ShortlistAI to fix this. It's a serverless platform that uses AI to automatically analyze and rank applicants, so the recruiters can instantly see what's the best talent. First, I'll show you the HR dashboard, then we'll look at the AWS serverless architecture that powers it. We start at the secure login page built using Amazon Cognito to manage authentication for our HR team. After logging in, the user lands on the main dashboard. This provides an overview of key metrics like total job posted and applications received. It also shows a list of recent job posting for quick access. Now let's explore or create a new job page. An HR manager can easily fill out this comprehensive form with all the necessary details from job title and salary to a detailed description and skill requirements. When I hit submit, this form calls our backend REST API built with API Gateway, which triggers an AWS Lambda function to save job details in our DynamoDB database. You can see the new job posting on our public portal. The application process is simple and straightforward. As I submit this application, two things happen. First, the applicant's data is saved, and second, the resume is securely uploaded to an S3 bucket. This single upload is the trigger that kicks off our entire backend AI analysis workflow. Back on our dashboard, a real-time notification system powered by a WebSocket API has instantly alerted us of the new application. In a few moments, we'll get another notification once the AI analysis is complete. There it is. The analysis is done. Now let's go to the job details page. Here we can see all the applicants for this automatically sorted by their AI generated math score. This is where the power of Amazon Bedrock comes in. In just a few seconds, the AI has generated a complete analysis. We have a concise summary, a detailed score breakdown across skills, experience, and education, and a qualitative list of specific strengths and weaknesses. This gives the recruiter actionable insight instantly. And if the manager wants to see the original document, they can securely download it via a temporary pre-signed link from S3. So how does all of this work behind the scenes? ShortlistAI is built on 100% serverless event-driven architecture on AWS, with AWS Lambda at its core. The journey of a resume is the best example. As I mentioned, it all starts with an S3 upload. These event trigger our orchestrated Lambda process resume. The first Lambda doesn't do the analysis itself. It starts an asynchronous job with AWS text track to extract the text from the resume file and creates a mapping record in the DynamoDB table. Once done, it sends a message to an Amazon SNS topic. This notification triggers our second main analyst Lambda process analysis. This is where the AI magic happens. The process analysis function retrieves the extracted data, constructs a detailed prompt, and calls Amazon Bedrock. The AI model returns the structured JSON analysis, which is then saved to our DynamoDB database. Finally, a notification is pushed through WebSocket API back to the user's dashboard. This entire complex workflow is powered by AWS Lambda, acting as the serverless compute and the glue that connects these powerful managed services, ensuring the application is scalable, resilient, and incredibly cost efficient.